Paying bills with a credit card. In this video, I will show you how to pay utility, subscription, and other bills using your credit card in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Most utilities, streaming services, and online shops accept cards nowadays, but some rent or local bills may not. Step 2. Open the official site or app of the bill that you want to pay, like your electric provider, internet company, or phone service. Step 3. Select the Make a Payment or Pay Bill, and then choose your credit card as your payment method. Step 4. Input your card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address, and make sure that everything that you put is accurate. Step 5. Review your total payment, confirm, and then submit, and you may receive a confirmation email or receipt once done. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.